Unraveling Idioms, like a drowned fish. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're exploring an intriguing phrase that might sound a bit peculiar at first, like a drowned fish. Stick with us as we unravel its meaning, origins, and how you can use it in everyday conversations. Whether you're an English language learner or just someone who loves delving into idiomatic expressions, this video is for you. First things first, let's break down the phrase, like a drowned fish. At first glance, this idiom might seem paradoxical. Why? Because we naturally associate fish with water, and the concept of a fish drowning seems almost impossible. Fish are aquatic creatures that breathe underwater through their gills, so the idea of a fish drowning flips our expectations upside down. This phrase is not commonly used in standard English and might not be recognized universally. However, discussing it offers a fantastic glimpse into the creative and sometimes humorous nature of idiomatic expressions. So, what does "like a drowned fish" actually mean? Since this phrase is not a standard idiom in English and might have been mixed up with other idioms or created for specific contexts, its intended meaning could vary. Typically, when idioms involve animals and scenarios like drowning, they're meant to evoke a strong visual image or convey a feeling of being out of one's element or experiencing failure. If we were to interpret "like a drowned fish" creatively, it might suggest a situation where someone feels completely out of place, overwhelmed, or failing despite being in a familiar or seemingly advantageous position. It's like saying someone has ended up in a situation that should have been favorable or natural to them, yet they're struggling immensely. Even though "like a drowned fish" isn't a common English idiom, understanding and potentially using it can add a unique flair to your language skills. Here's how you might use it in conversation or writing. To describe a feeling of unexpected struggle, "He looked like a drowned fish during the presentation, completely overwhelmed despite his preparation." To highlight irony or an unusual situation, "There she was, a professional swimmer, yet flailing in the shallow water like a drowned fish." Remember, since this phrase is unusual, it's important to gauge the context and ensure your audience understands creative or humorous idioms. Exploring phrases like a drowned fish reminds us of the richness and creativity inherent in language learning. While this particular phrase may not be widely recognized, its analysis helps us appreciate the depth and humor that idiomatic expressions bring to language. We hope this exploration has been enlightening and adds a new dimension to your understanding of English. Keep experimenting with language, and don't be afraid to dive deep into its vast ocean. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more intriguing language insights in our next video.